What's up, guys? It's your boy Has Live back with another video. So today, I decided I wanted to record my little workout that I'm doing in the weight room, you know, a little quick chest workout. It's been a minute since I recorded one of my fitness videos, but this is where I started on my channel, so I was like, let me go back to my roots real quick. So yeah, just gonna show y'all a little quick chest workout, get you a little nice pump for your little summer body, and let's get straight to it.
Normie. When I die, bury me inside a Gucci coffin. Make hits all day and there ain't no stopping. Jay kill Josh A, make tracks too often. I don't need a gold chain cause we're too damn awesome. When I die, bury me inside a Gucci coffin.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoy. Get your notes out and let's get ready to get straight into this. So as I said in the intro, I decided to do a little chest workout today. This is mainly going to focus on your inner chest, but nevertheless it's a good chest, like inner chest, chest, and tricep workout for real. So that's what we're doing right now. So the first half of this workout is going to be calisthenic based. So 3 different push-up styles that are going to target your chest in different ways. Let's say do 3 sets of 15 reps. Okay. So I like to put my hand in like the diamond type position for each of these drills. That way it'll target the inner part of my chest. So now moving on to the weight training portion of the workout. Again, you can either do this all together in one day like I did, or you can just separate it. You'll get more of a pump if you do it all in one day, but I mean, you don't have to. Because if you don't train calisthenics or you don't train weight training. So yeah. But yeah, if you just want to target your chest, I'd say do 3 sets of all of these next exercises I'm about to show you. 8 reps for the bench, 8 reps for the military press. My bench might have been a little low. I noticed that, but I just went with it because like the machine didn't change. Like it just stayed in that position. So I was like, okay. And again, ignore the baby weight. I just put it on there because I'm new to doing bent over rows. They're a good exercise, so I'm about to start using them more, but that was just like my first time really doing it in a while. And I was talking to someone too about my forms. Yeah, I know my form's not always perfect, so you know. I was talking about my form, so that's why I was taking breaks when I was recording this part. I wanted to show different angles, the front view and the side view. So yeah, just get a full idea of what I'm doing there. I would say do 10 of these instead of the 8. Just because they felt, for me, I did a couple because I was using lightweight and then I just didn't use the weight at all. But you could probably just you actually have a weight that's suited to you. And next are the chest flies. I also don't use these that often either. So again, I'd use a lightweight for it. Because I mean, if you're starting a new workout, there's no point in going heavyweight and not even knowing what you can do. So it's better to just start off a little light. Not too light, but just a little light. So yeah, I would say do 8 chest flies as well with a weight that's suited to you and your needs. Again, showing you a front and a side view. So the vein popping, oh my gosh. Next, I hit 5 diamond pull-ups. And yes, I know the pull-ups are technically calisthenics, but everyone doesn't have a pull-up bar in their house. You should though. Invest in it. You can get it for as cheap as $15. They're very useful. So I would invest in that. But if you don't have one in your house, that's why I included it in this part of the workout instead of the other part. So do 5 diamond pull-ups and then 5 regular pull-ups. And yeah, that's the workout. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends, family, and share the content. And it's been your boy, Hazai. Follow me on all my social medias. Be in the link in the description below. We out.